Hey, my name is Debbie, and today I am excited to show you something I just got from the Undone Beauty brand. This is what they call Nonzer. This is a 4-color nonzer palette with beautiful colors, vegan and cruelty-free. And this actually contains coconut extract, which is intriguing to me. So let's see how it looks on my skin. Okay, here it is up close again. Really, really pretty packaging and nice and durable. I'm not afraid of this cracking if it gets dropped or something, because this is actually thick acrylic. Also means that it maybe isn't great to throw in a purse or for travel. But depending on how good it is, you never know. Those colors, oh, so pretty. So first color, I'm going to try the top one. Nice, really nice. You'll notice I have a little bit of crepey skin and some pigmentation because I am almost 40. So that's to be expected. And so we're kind of testing this for like the 40+ crowd too. Oh, that's nice. It goes on really smooth. Look at that. Ooh. Third color here. That one's nice and warm. It's pretty subtle. And then last one, this is kind of like a vibrant violet almost. Excited to see. Oh my gosh. I love it. Stop. That is my favorite. That is so fun. So depending on the palette that you're working with, for either your skin tone or for your outfit or whatever you're going for on any specific occasion, this palette will have the right kind of nonzer rather, for you. Yeah, you can see this is just really nicely pigmented. Wow, I'm really impressed, and I'm loving that pinky purpley one. So anyway, here it is, the Nonzer palette by Undone Beauty. I hope this was helpful.